Hi lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I have another Amazon haul for you guys, and this time I went overboard. Can you see these packages over here? I don't even know how many things I have in there. I kind of forgot what I all ordered, but I have a awesome and super fun little unboxing coming your way with some new Amazon finds. I got some designer dupes, I got some skincare, some beauty accessory type things to just organize and everything like that. So I hope you watch all the way through to see all the fun new things that I found off of Amazon. So like I mentioned, I have all of these packages right here. Never mind the stuff that's there on the side. Those are for other little videos, but all of that right there in front of my pink and on top of my pink bench are Amazon. So let's start digging in because there's quite a few things in there. Okay, so getting into the first box that we have here. Oh yeah, hair accessory little container thing for headbands and scrunchies and hair ties. Here is this little stacked acrylic little hair accessory organizer. I mean, this is what I plan to use it for, is for my hair accessories. You could probably, I'm sure, use it for something else, but it just has kind of these little dividers in here, and I've seen a lot of girls use these, and they will put their headbands around the front end of them, just put them around there, and then you can throw a scrunchie in here, or big bows, something like that. And then in this one you can put your little barrettes, and then in the top tray you could just put bobby pins or just regular little hair ties like this. Throw that in there on the top. Laundry ditty bags. So this doesn't seem very fancy, I realize that, but how many of you girls out there wash your undergarments and then all of a sudden you have holes in them because your washer and dryer eat them up and just tear them to shreds? Well, I'm tired of buying new lacy panties and then getting them all ruined right away. So I looked into getting these mesh bags, and these are way bigger than what I thought they were going to be. I thought they were smaller. I thought they were all this size. It'll help keep that darn washer and dryer, the little mechanics on the inside, away from my delicate things so it stops eating them alive, and also it'll definitely help hold your bra's shapes better too. Oh yeah, so I have this little, what is it called? It's the Spatty little spatula. So I'm sure you girls have plenty of foundation bottles or have had them in the past where either you just can't get all of the makeup out of it, and when you're spending a pretty penny on your foundation, you want to be able to get as much product out of that bottle as you possibly can. This was actually on Shark Tank, which I'm obsessed with lately. Little tiny little spatula that you can dig into your foundation bottles and get the remaining portion of your makeup out of the bottom. Also, we have some jewelry organization things in here. I have a shit ton of jewelry, and to be honest, just how I have it stored, I have cute little containers, little stackables, and I have a little hanging thing for my necklaces, stuff like that, but it's jewelry can tarnish so easily just from sitting out within the air, not even being in the sunlight's view or anything like that. So a lot of my necklaces that I have on my necklace stand are kind of tarnished, so I have to go at it and clean and see if I can fix them. So that's where I'm hoping these little jewelry trays will come in handy. I ordered, it came in a set of 3, and basically they're just different little size dividers. Here's the smallest little checkered board one where I'll probably use it for rings and earrings. It's a little bit bigger, and honestly I'm not sure. I just have to look at my jewelry and see what fits into what. And then I guess this one actually is meant for rings because it has the little slots right there to stick them in. I'm just gonna empty up one of my drawers down in my dresser in my vanity and just have it where you pull it in and out, so that way it's still enclosed and it keeps it nice, but it's easy for me to just pull out and see what I got to use. I have a pair of shoes that are for a designer dupe. So I ordered a pair of these super fun leopard heels, and they're for the dupe of a Christian Louboutin. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these, looking at them, they are awfully tall. I'm not afraid to wear them and like walk in them. Like I love a heel, but my boyfriend doesn't necessarily love this big of a heel for me just because I'm already slightly taller than him when I wear like a 2-inch, let alone, what is this, like a 5-inch? Now, in person versus online. Online, they looked a little more like brown leopard. Right now in person it has like a orange undertone to the leopard. So we'll have to see how they feel on, like how they look there. Now I did order a size up because from what the reviews were saying online, it said that they were running small. A nice little rubber bottom right here, like it's not slick, like you're not going to slide around in them. It's like actual rubber, so that's nice. I'm just not in love with this leopard like at first sight, but maybe on my foot it'll be completely different. And for Valentine's Day coming up, I found this super cute little heart wreath on Amazon, and oh my gosh, it is just so pretty. I actually saw my girl Karen, her name is Lace and Lashes, on here. If you don't already follow her on Instagram and here on YouTube, then you want to follow and subscribe to her because she has a lot of great inspo as well. But I saw this on one of her Instagram posts and I just thought it was super cute. This is way smaller than I thought it was gonna be, so hopefully the sizing will do. And this is a super random one, but I was running low on my little laundry beads and I just wanted to order some. I wanted to try the Downy Infusions, and this is the Romantic. Ooh, it's white tea and peony. So I just really like these. Do you need them in your wash? Absolutely not. But I just think they do add a little extra burst of freshness or whatever scent that you choose. Now I have some headbands to go with it. So I don't know why I've held out so long on buying the headbands because they've been like on trend for a while now. And I just was like, I used to be all about headbands when it was like Gossip Girl. Do you know what I'm talking about? I'm pretty sure you do. I just love these pearl details and I was like, I'm gonna do it because I think these were only like maybe $10, $12, like it wasn't bad at all. This first impression, this velvet is super soft. A blush one, and then you have like a tan little cream nude, and then you have a black, which would probably look real cute with my outfit right now. Oh, and super simple little pink gingham table runner. Actually quite large. Like it's longer than my arm, my wingspan. Like what? Anyways, super pretty and simple white and like blush pink little buffalo plaid look. And I just like it. I think it'll be real cute on our dining room table because our dining room table is cream. And then maybe I'll get like some cute, pretty like pink flowers to put there in the centerpiece. Oh yeah, I forgot I ordered this. Is a little makeup palette organizers. So if you can see here, it just has like little slots right here. Boop, 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 boop. I have so many different palettes. I hardly even use half of them because again, I just don't see that I have them. They're not right in front of my face. So I wanted to try this and see if it would work. I have to do a little reorganizing on my bathroom counter to see if it will. It has 9 different slots right here that you can slip different palettes in there. I've been wanting one of these for a while now. I found this glitter little makeup organizer and I was like, I'm gonna do it. So this was like maybe in the $30 range, maybe a little bit under. It wasn't crazy expensive. I found this glitter option one and I just love it. I think it'll be way cuter once I get it out of the wrapping and like actual makeup in there. It has small little like dividers up here that's meant for like lipstick or maybe like small little tubes like lip gloss or like mascara possibly. And then it has like a small like little tray right here that runs along there. And then it also has 2 deeper little containers and then a bigger one. They do have other options on Amazon, like if you would rather have the smaller drawers like for more things, if that's like what your need is, they definitely have that option. You can also find this in just clear acrylic. They have like a rosy pink tint one, which I almost got as well, but the glitter just called to me. And then also they have like a purple, they have like a black clear. So there's a lot of different color options if you're interested in getting one of these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Amazon haul for my new finds of 2020. I have a lot here and now I just need to clean my room because there's boxes and like merchandise everywhere. If you enjoyed this, I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up. That's always so greatly appreciated. I will have all of these things linked down below. That way, if you're interested in them, you can just click it. It'll take you straight over to Amazon and you can shop it for yourself. If you do decide to shop through those links, just know that I do make a small commission off of those sales, but it's always so greatly appreciated. If you choose to help this girl out, then thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I would love it if you subscribe. Just hit that button right there in the center of the screen. Also, don't forget to hit the bell that's down below. That will keep you notified every single time I upload a video, which you can watch those other ones that are right there on the side, and those will keep you entertained with style, beauty, and fitness, and Disney fun things. Until next time, lovelies, I will see you all then.